Hi, I am Dr. Deepika Sharma. I have enrolled in general dentistry course, and hence I would like to recommend all the new doctors who want to undergo dental practice to join the Ahead Dental Academy, as it is very useful. It helps to upgrade the dental practice, and it gives you exposure to many dental procedures and like RCT, crown laminate, and it helps you to undergo hands-on practice on procedures like RCT, post-in-code, gingivectomy, crown laminating, and it helps you to bridge your knowledge and hands-on expertise, professionalism. So it is highly recommended to join this academy for your expertise. Very importantly, you get exposure to uh, procedures like you get to do bone grafting surgeries, flap surgeries, and disinfection surgeries here, and it helps to build your uh, self confidence with guided approach. I would like to tell all the new joinees that there is no shortage of patients here. You will get many patients here, and in fact, oftenly more than the number offered in the quota. So don't worry about the patient exposure. Here you will get so many patients to work on. Just be sure that you work um, with a good dental expertise. To thank Dr. Atul Swain sir, who came up with this noble idea of opening up such a good dental practice clinic here, which helps students and doctors build their dental career with professionalism. And he has a very gentle and supportive approach towards all the doctor joinees here. I would like to thank Uncle Ji here. He's the one person who manages all the floors and all the staff here, and all the cases that are allocated are managed by him. And he's very quite aware of strength and weakness of every student, every doctor working here, and thus he allocates case accordingly. I am heartily thankful to the Ahead Dental Academy, where I could build my self confidence and enrich my knowledge and dental practice. And it is very highly recommended to all the students who wants to open up their own clinic and have a bread and butter of dentistry. So please join. I would like to thank all the teaching staff here, Dr. John sir, Dr. Nitin sir, Dr. Kartika ma'am, Dr. Arushi here, who has been very supportive in building the knowledge for the dental practice, and they were very helpful also while doing the procedures. And not the least, but I would um thank Dr. Joib sir, who has been very friendly and supportive in doing the treatments, and his approach was very helpful to overcome the fears of dentistry. I am about to leave from the academy. I would like to thank all the dental assistant staff here who has been working here hard all day. They work very patiently, willingly, and respectfully to all the doctors, and they are very helpful for doing the procedures. They make our lives easy. And to mention names like Tamanna, Anuj, Vinesh Bhaiya, Idrish Bhaiya, Sejal, Paresh ji, all these people have been very supportive while doing the dental procedures. Thank you.